Okay, I am in downtown Kingston in the Scotiabank head office car park. That is the Bank of Jamaica right in front of us. So I'm gonna give you a little mini tour of downtown, very mini tour. Alright. Car park. So this is Nether Soul Place. And straight ahead is the Jamaica Conference Center. This, I'm not sure if Duke Street to start from down here, but if you went straight up, you have Duke Street. I mean, fishing and doing their stuff on the harbor. So this is the Kingston Harbor. And you have these fish places now. Now you have Norma's that was in Port Royal. It is now, there's one downtown on your left. And cook up outlet where you get cakes and pastries and meals and stuff, and some other places. I just can never find parking when I come down here yet, so I'm gonna turn up on King Street. It's the last time when I give you the downtown to Portmore video. 64.1. I drove on Church Street. King Street is the main street in downtown Kingston. When you're coming down these places, you can try find a parking near to where you're going, but I take off any jewelry and stuff like that if I'm gonna walk on the road. And there's actually a car park on Tower Street where you can park safely. This is Harbour Street. Coming from Portmore, you will take Harbour Street from Marcus Garvey Drive coming to Portmore. This is Tower Street. Sure. I don't know. I will research. Yeah, see Barry Street there. Up here. Supreme Court on the right hand side. Notice most of these, except for King Street, most of these streets are one way. But vendors on the road. Miscellaneous stores. Oh, office. Oh, Woolworth is still down here. Whoa, I didn't even realize that. I haven't been down here so long. Ports is on King Street. Island Grill, Payless, Amar's, Kingston Bookshop, Circle K, Joseph's. I didn't even know Joseph's was still around. I haven't been in downtown so long. How do you do? Parade, no, parade. I don't really come down here unless I have to. You can get good shopping if you want to breathe it. You have a lot of pickpockets and stuff like that. But I come Orange Street and stuff a couple times, and once you know not to put all your money in one place and don't just put your money in your pocket like that. Burger King. Rockland furniture, Fashion Over style. Fashion Over, you know, not Fashion Over, Fashion Over. Mothers. So parade is like the roundabout in downtown Kingston. And that park. This is West King Street. This is West Parade. So you can go on West Parade, go straight up. But I'm gonna go around. Sometimes when I have port, some of these roads are blocked off, so I don't bother. Nowhere to go. On the left hand side, I thought it's our famous Ward Theatre. It needs to be repaired now. Thing is, you have to spend money. People have to come. A lot of people don't want to come downtown, like after hours. So because I'm going back onto East Green Street, I take this lane. Take this lane to turn left, but here we can't go and turn left. Only for police down there now. I don't know about this church in here. So I'm going on to East Green Street. Rolly. Mothers down here. So this is where the St. Thomas bus stop. Usually drop off the St. Thomas passengers. Monday. If you're going to St. Thomas or Harborview or the airport and you're downtown, you will drive this road to come out. Or better yet, Harbor Street. This road is way too busy. I will go back down onto Harbor Street and do one of those right turns. Further down to Manor, which takes you to Mountain View Avenue, which you can turn left on and reach back to the National Stadium. Or if you're going to Ligonier or anywhere like that. Phone fell, but I didn't make any turns. I'm gonna turn right. Chef down here is the name South Camp Road too, you know. I'm not sure, but I will check. These vlogs are showing me that I don't know the names of quite a number of the streets and the roads. this road instead of going all the way out on Windward Road, and then you would turn left at that roundabout and go straight out, which takes you out to Rockfort, and you go straight out to the roundabout at Harbourview, and then you would turn right onto the Palisades, which takes you straight into the airport, Norman Manley International Airport. But I'm just going around. So if you are coming from the airport, you would go around this roundabout and come back up on the road we are coming from. Or if you're going to Portmore, you just go straight. You would follow this route I'm taking. So that Portmore to that Kingston to Portmore route video I have 64.1. You could look at it and join up at this one with it where I started on Harbour Street. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. Just take these things. So say Bank of Jamaica on your left, that is Grace Kennedy on your right. So I'm gonna go back down to Duke Street. So we'll basically come full circle. Right. So we're gonna go down on Port Royal Street, which is where we had driven to go onto Marcus Garvey Drive in 64.1 to go to Portmore. So this is Port Royal Street. So you can just go straight back out and it takes you straight to Marcus Garvey Drive. Right. So that's my little downtown tour for today. Turn back up on Duke Street. So Duke Street runs parallel to King Street too, so you could take Duke Street and go straight up and it takes you to what do you call that? National Heroes Circle, which is another video I have. The National Heroes Circle to New Kingston video. Not sure what number that is gonna be, but I already started that one. So the Portmore videos are going to be the 64 series. The Kingston videos are going to be the 65 series. Make a conference center on the left. Just another one coming up Duke Street. I'm going to turn right on Harbour Street. So that Jamaica Building Society is on your left. Grace Kennedy Financial Center and First Global is on your right. There's an NCB further up on Duke Street. I should have got Duke Street, you know.